back to my channel. It's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Solo Leveling Season 2 episode number 8. Again, sorry for the delay, sorry for the 1 week delay, but here I am. So without wasting much time, let's get to the reaction. Yeah, he was in fight with this Igris type character. Huh? It can speak! Wow, it is scared for the first time. Are you human? Okay, so that was just a mask. So can Igris remove the mask? What? So what now? Hmm. Okay. Wow. Yeah, that's grifty. Can he trust her? What's this cartoonish music? No, of course she can't. He can't trust her. Hmm. Wow. I don't remember this. Again, as you would have already read from the title itself, I'm a manhwa reader. Of course, I've been saying it since every episode I've been reacting to. But as you can see from the title, I'm a manhwa reader. I did read way into the manhwa when it was actually airing 4 to 5 years ago. But again, it's been 4 to 5 years or 5 to 6 years. And thanks to my memory loss power, I forgot most of the things that happen, like minute details. I do remember the actual overarching results of the arc, basically like what happens, who wins at the end of the arc, and who is the main villain of the particular arc, and all those things. But I forgot most of the minute details, like who wins in this small battle, or what happens here. Like, is she a bad character? I completely forgot about this character. So yeah, I'm somewhere between the anime original watcher and a manhwa reader. So if you're interested in a viewpoint of that kind of a person, please stick around, and I hope you like it. So yeah, you may consider the title clickbait, but I just found it interesting. I did read it. It's a very big part of my school life, reading solo leveling manhwa. So yeah, I will talk about it after the reaction more. But yeah, let's continue with the reaction. Hmm. Floor entry permit. Yeah, maybe she has it. Wow. Wow. Is this surround sound? Am I hearing? Like, I'm hearing this in the right. I don't know what. That's the right question. Yeah. Wow. That picture. So amazing. And here is the flying ant. Wow. That was such a cool island picture, man. And his head is gone. It was strange, showing us just a small clip of that. Wow, she doesn't. What's that command? Hmm? Wow. Where is the demon realm? And wow, she can't say, huh? She's glitching. Wow. Okay, so yeah, that's what Sanjinu's father was talking, right? Hmm. So is this some kind of big experiment? Or is the system the enemy? I don't understand. Hmm. Nice. Winged ant is A rank. So they are coming here. So wild, man. Them requesting help from Japan when when I'm hearing them say it in Japanese. Wild shit. Again, I forget sometimes that this is happening in Korea. I think so, but yeah, wild. Hmm. But that was a tragedy, right? They tried it few years ago. Fourth. Okay. Three times failure. But he is here. Wow. Okay, that's right. What Dracula type of thing? That was cool. Hmm. Hmm. Dracula type of design. What is this? He got it, huh? What one more thing? Huh? Yeah. Same reaction. What? Hmm. Can you say no? Why are you even bargaining? That was romantic. Wow, they are really dissecting it, huh? Who's that? Who's that? Okay, is this the another guild of the five or six guilds that are actually the top guilds, huh? Already 10 floors up. They just were in 80th floor. Hmm. Each S rank and A rank. Wow. True. Wow, that was true. Nice dialogue. Because yeah, he likes you. Simple minded people. Hmm. Hmm. True. Wow. Me too. When Igris and the tank standing there like that, the polar bear. Hmm. Nice. Wow, they are skipping this through. Wow. Just like that, 10 floors done again. Hmm. Do you mean Japan? Huh? Yeah. Wow. Hmm. Will Sanjanu be back by then? Ultra large guilds, huh? Wow. Where is Sanjanu's father? Wow, they have reached to the top already. I thought they will take their sweet time. That's interesting. Interesting boss design. Wow. These top floors have a lot of very vibrant bit of colors from the 90th floor. Lord of the Demons. Nice. The Dragon Rider. But yeah, different colors. Like the first 90 floors were all hell themed floors. But these floors are a little bit more colorful, huh? Hmm. At least he is not red colored. Orange means he can be defeated, right? Red is too powerful. Hmm. Wow. Okay, so an army versus an army. Nice. Again, animation. Tasty, tasty, tasty. Yum, yum, yum. Nice. So crisp and beautiful. That's all. Hmm. Oh no, don't do this now. That was cool. Again, I'm going to keep on saying this. This was cool. That was cool. Sorry for your if I cause an irritation. But wow, that was a cool again. Cool scene. The way the camera moved, brilliant. That was the colors, the crisp, tasty, tasty. Hmm. True. He can't prolong this fight. Again, again, cool man. Very nice. The way they showcased his power, dash and stealth. Wow, yeah. Wow, I didn't even notice. Yeah, he detected his stealth. The boss is trouble, of course. That tracks. He's the top floor boss. Nice. Okay, so dragon is done. Come down, Mr. Man, Mr. King, Demon King. Exactly. Nice design, cool design. A little bit generic, but cool. Like the previous demon boss had a better design. Goto Ryuji, Draw Sword Guild. 11. Wow. Second largest, then what is the largest then? Hmm. Rapidly after hatching and they only live about a year. Makes sense. This is cool. All the analysis. Hmm. Well, Japan. Wow, he is S rank too. Hmm. This is nice, man. The way they are. She is translating actually, but all of this very cool. Okay, so wow. So they are using AI for all this analysis, huh? Hmm. These two subplots that are one is Sanjin Woo fighting this Demon King, hmm, and them planning for Jeju Island. So cool, the direction, the screenplay. Again, that is the only word in my vocabulary. So cool. That was nice. That impact frame. Hmm. Too much blue on my screen. Blue, 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 blue. It was just red, red, red a few moments ago. Who stopped it? Wow, it's been so long, man. Sanjay Woo suffered in this way. Seeing Sanjay Woo suffer in this way. Someone matching him like this. Hmm. Oh wow, that was again the way he summoned two knives. Dual wielders, come on! The last fight. Again, as I said in the previous reaction too, this is, I think so, in our generation's Dragon Ball. Maybe not that it doesn't have the same cultural impact, but in terms of power fantasy. And it taking itself serious. That's what I mean. There have been many power fantasies, but they have been kind of parody type of things. This takes itself serious. That's cool. Again, so water animation, very tasty. Oh no! Wow, okay, bare hand. Nice. Wow, it has a tail. I didn't notice. Is he snatching its hands? Wow, that's graphic. Wow. The uppercut of the century. Head cut? That was wild. My god. A fight worthy of Demon King. The animation, the sky is clearing. Wow, Sanjinu really struggled, man, this time. It's been so long seeing him struggle like this again, as I said. So cool. What? Well, guys, the episode ended there. What can I say? Again, just topping each and every episode, each and every week. Like episode 1, 2 was greater than episode 1, episode 3 is greater than episode 2. Like again, the crisp showcase of the masterful hands of the animators, solo leveling animators, man. They are doing such a great job. I hope they are going to their homes, to their families. But I don't know how can they achieve this with going home to their families, man. I hope so. They are not struggling. They are not mentally stressed, because this anime is. I am using this anime to relieve my stress after the whole weeks of work. So I hope so. The animators are also doing that. But man, this is great. This the fight, the uppercut, the hand snatch, everything. The moment she threw a weapon on him and he got distracted for a second, and him using the hand of God, the colors, the blue colors. Like I was so fed up of the hell type of red color and everything. So that was nice. Some change of blue colors and the vibrantness. Seeing Sanjanu a little struggle a little bit. Of course, it's a power fantasy, as I said, but once again, it's nice to see. Like he was stomping on everyone since so long. Again, I like hyped up hero as much as the next guy, as much as the other guy, but it was nice him using his brain or his grit to overcome this challenge. But nice again. With that subplot, parallelly we were seeing how the Japan and Korea is working together to tackle this Jeju Island arc mess, the ants mess. So again, I have been hyping it since season 1. I think so. That was the first scene of this anime in season 1, episode 1. That's what we saw. Ants attacking and brutally killing the hunters. So we are finally here. I think so. The next arc is going to be the Jeju Island arc, and I'm so excited. This is the arc I remember clearly when I was reading the manhwa in my intermediate, when during the exams, when I was studying for exam. It felt so epic. The things that are going to happen in the next coming episodes. I don't know if they're going to completely cover the Jeju Island or they are going to leave it at some clickbait or not clickbait, but a cliffhanger or something. But yeah, I'm excited, man. This has been my dream since I've read the few scenes of Jeju Island. I wanted to see them animated, and here we are. I can't believe, but I'm excited, guys. I'm excited so much, as you can see it on my face. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this much as I did. And I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this episode. And if you did, please guys, please like, share, subscribe, press the notification bell. And if you don't, please just spend 2 minutes commenting your thoughts about my reaction. If you don't like this, or if you would like for me to improve in this areas or something, and if I can do that, if it is doable, I will do it. I am here for to improve. I am here to stay. I am here to entertain, and I am here to share my thoughts. Most importantly, I started this channel to share my thoughts because I didn't have many people around me to discuss the things I was watching and people who were interested in this. So I am here on this internet to find out people who are interested in the same thing as myself. And so I hope you guys enjoyed my thoughts on this. I know my vocabulary is very small, so I don't know how to describe actually my feelings properly, the things I'm feeling. So that's why I will be using the same words again and again. But hope you enjoy my reaction through my energy which I'm portraying while I'm reacting to this anime. And I hope you feel the same way. I hope you relate to this. And if you don't, please again, comment section is your clean canvas to convey your message. One time message. If you hate that much, you can just say, like, don't be rude. I'm not giving permission or asking you to be rude. I'm asking you for your feedback. So please present that. And again, thank you to those who have always been supporting me. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. With that being said, I'll meet you guys in the next video.